Tonight, though, it should have been a fun-filled evening. A 2-year-old trick-or-treating for the very first time, but now his heartbroken family trying to plan his funeral.
Polk County deputies say the toddler died after a bus struck him as he tried to cross US 27 in Lake Wales around 7:30 last night. As our Jason Beisel shows us, even strangers are remembering the little boy as the family sends a message for help.
This is a horrible thing.
Shock now turning to heartache.
I can't get it out of my head.
Last night, as Carol was leaving this Dollar General store on US 27 in Lake Wales, the unthinkable happened.
We came back out, and I heard somebody screaming, "My baby, my baby, my baby."
Screams coming from the grandmother of 2-year-old Dante Vasquez, seen here in a picture on his mother's Facebook page.
She's a grandma. I'm a grandma.
The little boy was trick-or-treating with his grandmother and a family friend, 29-year-old David Heidler and his 2 children. Polk deputies say Heidler was pushing the 3 kids in a stroller across US 27. When he got to the median, Heidler realized he dropped his phone. Deputies say he left the stroller and ran back across to grab it.
Somebody, I don't know who it was, left him in the middle of a road. And the baby got scared and tried to go to grandma.
Jumping out of the stroller and darting across the street. That's when a bus traveling northbound on 27 struck Vasquez, killing him instantly.
They won't have him for Christmas. They'll never have him for any of the holidays.
This morning, Vasquez's mother posted this quote with the caption, "A part of me has died." She also put up this picture of her son in his costume.
There'll be something out there for him for Christmas, too.
Carol is now remembering the toddler in her own way.
I bought him a truck. I bought him, I think, a ball, a teddy bear.
Gifts she plans to put on a cross at the place where a precious life was taken too soon.
I've got 2 little grandbabies, but, I mean, I would want somebody to do that if it was mine.
Deputies say this was just a tragic accident and no charges will be filed. The family has set up a GoFundMe page to help raise money to cover funeral expenses. You can find the link on our website at abcactionnews.com.